Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind Reviews. The Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind reviews are helpful for those who are about to enter the crypto trading field. There are many choices in terms of training classes in this matter these days. Nevertheless, some of them are not that comprehensive in many ways. This one is one of the best choices that anyone can register to expect many benefits in the future. What is this Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind class? The fundamental idea of this particular course is a program for everyone who wants to invest in cryptocurrencies. Therefore, it covers many things that include the so-called blockchain technology to the ins and outs of investing in this matter. This Crypto Swap training program offers a lot of confidential information that is not available anywhere else. It comes as a comprehensive program for sure. So, it is easy to unveil all about it through the Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind reviews. It is not just a training program, and it comes at the cost of a subscription that will educate its members about this unique field of investment. The main goal of this program is to encourage people to make consistent money in this field. With everything it offers, it is possible to expect that in the future. The structure of the Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind. Checking on the overall plan of this cryptocurrency investing training class is crucial. Through the composition, it is easy to see the direction of the program. Any other similar program that is not as comprehensive as this one will not have the same structure. Regarding the organization, it comes as a two-part training program. Those parts are all necessary for anyone in this business. The first part of the program involves learning everything about cryptocurrency. It is known as the core training part. Numerous video training lessons will bring starters to the first gear on this. It includes the basics of crypto, the general idea of decentralized finance, risk and rewards, and many more things. The first part is like a guidebook of cryptocurrency for beginners. Over the Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind reviews, the first part indicates a high level of comprehensiveness. There are no books about this topic to be as complete as the first part of this program. Therefore, there is no need to hesitate in signing up for it immediately. On the other hand, the second part is the live mastermind and support. It is the gate to the actual investing world of cryptocurrency. The creator of this cryptocurrency training program provides all of the necessary support systems for this activity. Members will get the tools and community to initiate their journey on this. There are many experts within the community as a part of this program. Where to buy Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind? All in all, this kind of training class covers everything from the start to the unforeseen future of cryptocurrency. At least, with everything it offers, the training turns to be worthy for everyone who plans to deal with this kind of thing. There will not be too many differences over many Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind reviews because the program is a good one. You can buy Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind by visiting the link in description below. Click the link below in the description to get the program.